Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. In this video we're going to see how to extract audio from screen recordings on iPhone. First thing first, open the App Store and search for CapCut and install it. If you have it already installed, launch the application. Now tap the plus icon to create a new project. Tap Import and select the screen recording you want to extract the audio from. Now the screen recording will appear in your media gallery. Drag and drop it to the timeline at the bottom. Now tap and hold the video clip in the timeline until a menu appears. Select Extract Audio and this will separate the audio from the video. Now all you have to do is tap the separated audio track, then tap the scissors icon at the bottom toolbar. Choose Save Audio from the pop-up and this will save the audio as a separate file on your device. Now go to your export panel in CapCut and choose to export just the audio file. You can trim, add effects, or enhance the audio further before saving. You now have the audio from your iPhone screen recording saved as its own file, ready to use in music, apps, edits, or anywhere else. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.